1, 2, 3. Hello and welcome to the Rock Dojo. My name is Brian Parham and I'll be your guitar sensei. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play Nirvana's iconic tune, Come As You Are. Before we dive in, I want to send a special shout out to those of you who are part of the Rock Dojo community. Your support helps me to share the positive power of rock guitar. If you're not part of that community, hit the subscribe button. It's free and you'll never miss a lesson. Also, at the end of this lesson, I have a free bonus for you. So let's dive in. Nirvana, Come As You Are sounds like this. 1, 2, 3. So it's starting on a pickup note on the end of 3. So 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. So those notes are open, open, 1, 2 on the low E. From there, we're going to go open on the A, followed by 2 on the E. Open on the A again, followed by 2, 2, 1 on the low E. That whole thing sounds like this. 1, 2, 3. Now finally, the last measure sounds like this. So that last measure is open E, 2 on the A, followed by open E, 2 on the A, open E, 1 on the E. It's a lot harder to say than it is to play. So let's just play together. You got tab on screen. 1, 2, 3. Now, the one thing I want to point out is position playing. If you take anything away from this lesson other than Nirvana's Come As You Are, it's about the importance of position playing. When you're playing the guitar, you have 4 fingers, excluding your thumb, that can play 4 frets of the guitar. So in this position, we're in position number 1. Position is determined by your index finger. I have my index finger over the 1st fret. That means in position number 1, my index finger is going to play everything on fret number 1. In position number 1, my middle finger is going to play everything on fret number 2. My ring finger is going to play everything on fret number 3. My pinky is going to play everything on fret number 4. So when you play this riff, it's going to be open, open, index, middle. That'll get you started. 1, 2, 3. And from there, it should be very obvious the fingerings that you're going to use. Now it's time for your free bonus. I have a free guitar course for kids. I want to get your child started playing the guitar the right way. Just click on the link below. It's totally free, and I will teach your child how to hold the guitar, parts of the guitar, their first riffs on the low E string, open power chords, and so much more. And if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free and you'll never miss a lesson. And remember, every guitar master was once a beginner. The more you practice, the better you will become. Rock!